Hello again, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. Matt from the Real Toy Shop with all the crazy cars and bikes. And some normal ones. So this bike, the F800 GS Adventure, is fitted with a Leovince pipe. We'll get to that. We'll let you hear it start up, hear the noise, give you a good tour around the bike, show you it close up, so that you know if you fancy it or fancy one, you know, on another day from somewhere else, whatever. But this is our bike, which is for sale. Unless you're watching this in 10 years, we've probably sold it. So, all you guys and girls who have subscribed, thank you very much. And those who give us a little thumbs up every now and again to keep us happy, thank you. And all the rest of you, please do subscribe. Very small amount of our viewers are subscribers, so it'd be lovely if you did. Thank you very much. That's out the way. Drop a comment what you think on these bikes, and or anything else you want to see, or anything you like or don't like. Please drop a comment. Keep it nice though, even if you're being miserable. Just keep it nice. Right, without further ado. So, this is 2016/17 F800 GS Adventure. Now, for those of you who are a little short in the leg, you're probably best not looking at this one unless you're looking at it for interest, because this was the tallest bike, again, correct me if I'm wrong, tallest bike in BMW's range. So, taller than a 1200, taller than a 1200 GSA. This is a tall bike. But if you're a bigger fella and you want a bike that's economical and does all the good stuff and is kind of like the savvy choice, being the 800 parallel twin, this might be the bike for you, because you're going to look daft on a 750 GS like that one over there. You need to be on this big one. I've ridden these off-road and stuff, only one full day of it, and I had a right laugh on it. Real light, real chuckable, just a really good bike. Looking round this one got loads of good extras, loads of goodies on it. We'll talk you through them as we go round there. Let's go, let's get on it. So, number one, we've got nice knobblies on here. Now, look at them. They look ace on the bike. Really good. We've got a fender extender. Why? What good do they do, Matt? What's the point? Well, it stops all the cack and detritus going up here and rotting your pipes and rotting everything else up there. Really do help. Now, I've heard people say, they stop the cooling to your engine. Absolute cod's wallop. There's plenty of wind goes round there. You're fine. That will save you no end of corrosion issues, etc. And to help even more, we've got a bash plate down here. Bash plate living under the bottom. Set of engine bars. Looks like they've saved something already, look. There's a little mark on them. That ain't gonna hurt out, is it? Adds the character. But what it has done is save the rest of the bike. That's what they're there for. People, it's been over. It's an off-road bike, man. Somebody has put knobbly tyres on it and they've used it. They might not have been off-road, but they've definitely they might have rubbed it on a garden wall, because there's no other evidence that it's been over, so, you know. But that's what they're there for, isn't it? That's my point. Rant over. So, moving around, engine case is all nice. All the paintwork's lovely. These are Touratech engine bars as well, top and bottom. Done their job. Saved all of that from a smashing. We've got rear pannier, what do you call them? Pannier racks. That's it. Couldn't find my words then. So we've got the rear pannier racks. They double up as protection as well. So if you want to get the panniers, they just hook straight on there, the aluminium ones, or just leave it looking like that, looking cool, knowing that you've got some protection at the back for your fuel tank, which is here, which brings all the weight down low. All the weight, nice and low, in there, so it's not all right up the top there, ready to drag you over. Matching back tyre, nice and knobbly. Puig rear, oh God, Matt. What do you call that? Flipping heck, I can't believe it. I'm having a right brain freeze. Never mind, it'll come to me. Hugger, that's it. There you go. Hugger and chain guard all in one. Saves your rear shock and leaves your shock looking like that. Bit of dust on there. There you go, it's gone. Chain and sprocket's all good. These are chain driven, which is kind of nice because everyone knows how to work one of those. And moving around this side, we've got a BMW aluminium top box. Put some pants in for you going away at the weekend. Toothbrush. There you go. Leovince pipe. We'll fire this up and you'll like the sound of that. If you don't buy a motorcycle. And yeah, everything else. If you want to guess in the mileage as we're wandering around here, just guess the mileage. See if you're right come the end of it. You may be, you maybe not. Key there for your seat. Up here, we've got the tank bag, even though it's not a tank. So what are we calling it? There's no tank under there. Don't know. Drop that in the comments down below. But it's a bag holder anyway. We've got power socket. That special BMW end. You can get adapters. Up there with a RAM mount. Put your sat nav on. Nice, easy display. We've got a Vario shield on the top there to stop the buffeting on your noggin as you're riding along. And hand guards. We've mentioned hand guards all the time. I love hand guard. Keep your dandies dry. Keep the cold wind off the back of your hand. Saves us all, when we're in our 70s, having arthritis in our fingers, as some may have from riding bikes. That hand guards. We've got electric shock, ESA, ABS, rider modes, and up here, look, heated grips. Renthal bar protection as well. Not bar protection, you know, headstock protection so you don't damage yourself on there. Now I'm just looking to see, because I can't really see without getting in there, about the screen, if that's adjustable or not. I don't think it is, to be fair. Let's go with no, and if it is, what a bonus. Got that signature BMW look we all used to like. In fact, that's not true. We always go, ooh, that looks wangy, and now we like it, because we're like that, aren't we? We get all nostalgic about things. Set of spotlights on there, 4 lower covers. There you go, that's your bike. So what can we do you for on this bike? Or do for you? Normal services. If you've got a part exchange, dead simple. Come on, we do this all the time now. That's the alarm fob, by the way. Whoop. There you go. That's the website. Part X form is on the website. And that number there, you can either get it off the website or use it now, is where you go to get some monthly payments sorted out. Give them a call. That's Lisa or Scott in the office. They'll sort you out with that. Then we move on from that. Get a bit of delivery. God, blimey. Get my happy smiling face again. If you're not sick of my voice by now already, you'll get me dropping the bike off. Now, it's free anywhere in mainland UK. That's what we've always done here. See the real toy shop van out and about, give it a honk, frighten me to death. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Go on the website. Again, there's a delivery page, give you all the time frames, all that good stuff. A purpose-built van, no washing machines or any of that claptrap in there with it, just a bike. If you are at the right other end of the country, then you may not get my happy smiling face, which may disappoint you. I know, I understand. But we do have a dedicated motorcycle courier, again, only bikes. That's that bit. Please don't think because we're delivering you the bike or you phone up to get it delivered or whatever that we wouldn't let you come and see it. I know people say, oh, I don't want to pay until I've seen it. And you're like, well, that's fine. We are here and the bike is here. So come and have a cup of tea with us. If it's raining or you're a long way, come in the car and then we'll bring it another day. Dead simple. Moving on. Right, Leovince pipe. You want to hear it, don't you? Want to hear the bark? I'm on with it. I'm coming in. I'm going to press the button and make it make a noise. But before that, please, if you've got anything or anyone that you have to get permission off, ask them first. Ask your missus first. Your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover. Sort that out before you give us a call and we talk you through all the paperwork and bits and pieces we've got for this bike. Or just grow a pair. Or beg for forgiveness. Whatever. Do what you like. But ask your missus first. Right. Dead simple. Start procedure. Key on. All sorts of fancy lights and things come on the dash. Loads of fuel in there. I promise I won't take any out. There you go. All the bits and pieces on here. So let's have a scroll through the info. Let's see what it tells us. So we've got some fuel things. Don't know what's going on here. Oh, engine temps and that sort of thing. Average fuel. blah, 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 blah. It's obviously got to be on a bit of a mission before it lets you do that. And then we've got rider modes here, road, enduro. Road, there we go. Oh, no, I don't want that one. I want road, because we want to make some noise. Matt, why is that ABS light flashing at me? Well, you all know. It's got to be doing 5 miles an hour or have a good amount of revolutions to the wheel. Say it all the time. You come to any bike, actually a modern bike, and that's flashing, that's how it should be. If it's not flashing, actually I won't say that, if it's not there, that means there's a fault. Wrong way round for bikes as it is to cars. That's confusing, isn't it? So, as we come around this side, hopefully you can hear how quiet the engine is and how mechanically sound it is. Forgot to mention the mileage, but you probably saw it anyway. 25,000. Would you have guessed? This bike's lovely. Right, let's make it back. Now that's not too obnoxious, is it? I don't think anyway. But let's check. Yes, she's got a baffle in it. It's got a baffle. So you can be noisier if you like, or not if you don't want. Up to you. One more blast of the kiddies. That sounds good. Nice, economical, sturdy BMW GS Adventure waiting for you here. How do I get it in my shed, Matt? Get it in my shed? You could have this in your shed pronto. But you need to do this first. If you've got a Part X, disappear, fill the Part X form in. Job's a good one. Number 2, want some monthly payment numbers. Speak to Lisa or Scott in the office. Couldn't make that any simpler either. And number 3, let's get it paid for, get it in a van and get it to you as quick as we can. Yeah, there she is. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. If you got this far, you want a medal, thank you. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. But don't forget, ask your missus first. Bye for now.